Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this creative eyeliner look for you. And the palette I'm using is the Arabian Nude and Neutral Rich eyeshadow palette. And the first shade I'm taking is the shade Queen. And I'm applying this on a flat shaded brush in the inner corners of the eye. Next, taking the shade Sparks, which is this bronze colour here. And I'm just applying this next to the Queen shade all over the rest of the lid. Taking the shade Stripped and applying this into the crease. And I'm using a Sigma E25 brush for this. Now taking the shade Stormy and I'm applying this in the outer part of the eye to give some definition, and I'm applying this along the tape as well. This will help elongate the eyes. Now time for the eyeliner. So I'm just creating a straight line across the lash line, and I'm just doing the same thing as I normally do to create a winged liner. So then after I've done that, I'm going to create my first line going along the tape and then another one above it. This will create a triangle shape, and I'm just going to fill this in. Then I'm going to create an inner corner point, so I'm just dragging this down to the tail duct area. Then just above the crease halfway, I'm just connecting a line to the end part of the wing. And I'm just going to neaten up this line and thicken it up. Here I'm just taking some black eyeshadow and applying this in the outer corner of the eye. Now taking the Collection Eye Definer and I'm lining my top and bottom waterline with this. And then using a pencil brush, I'm taking some black eyeshadow and smudging this in. The Collection Glam Crystal Eyeliner, and I'm applying this in the inner corner of the crease, connecting it to the eyeliner that we just created above. Now to finish off the look, I'm just going to curl my lashes and then apply some falsies. With that, I'm going to apply some mascara as well, just to blend everything together. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!